Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today the date is 22nd July and the time is 11:12. So we have done two trades for the day. First trade I did in Hindustan Unilever, booked a profit of 1730. Second trade on Hindustan Motor Corp, booked a profit of 2012. So almost approximately we have booked a profit of 4000 for the day. So we just saw a demo of the live trading session. Okay, now coming to both the trade setups were equally same. So I will discuss one trade setup in detail. I do have 3 to 4 reasons for my trading setup. So let's have a look at my trading setup in Hindustan Unilever. So in Hindustan Unilever, we did enter at this point. We have kept stop loss at nearby resistance point and our target is the nearby support point. I do have 4 reasons for my trade. My first reason is, let's take a look at Hindustan Unilever charts 1 hour. So coming to the Hindustan Unilever's 1 hour chart, what do we see is, we do see the support point, resistance point, support point, resistance point, support point, and exactly at its support point we could find the support point and we have kept our stop loss exactly just below the support point. So reason number one is we could find the support of the stop. Reason number two is it had a huge fall and exactly it retraced back at its support point. So reason number two for the trade is we found the retracement at its support point. Now coming to the reason number 3. Here we have worked out type 3 pattern. So what do we see in type 3 pattern is, here we do see a breakout and I did take my entry at this breakout. And I have kept, as said, my stop loss in the nearby support points, just giving a buffer. And we have given a risk reward ratio of 1.02. So in both the trades, I have used type 3 pattern for the day. I have explained one pattern. I do have 3 reasons. I'll just explain it once more. First, we'll take a look at its 1 hour chart. We could buy it. We could see its support point. Reason number 1, and it had huge fall. Reason number 2, and we worked on type 3 pattern. We did get a breakout over the here. Reason number 3, and here do we also see, and here we see its rejection at its support, it going back again retracing at its support. And reason number 4 is we do see a 3 candlestick pattern with breakout. So we do have 3 to 4 reasons for our trade. So we have booked a profit of approximately 4000 for the day. We have done 2 trades. So we are continuing with our challenge. So 56 more days left. Today we have booked a profit of 3943. That's all for the day. Thank you.